So there's a tree down outside that fire station.
It's crazy, man.
Traffic's backed up all the way through this town. You've got the sheriff out here trying to direct traffic. Sheriff deputies. Well, some of the heavy equipment, of course there's lots of debris that needs to be cleared and things built back together again. So there is still about 850,000 people without power, or homes without power. So these guys are working around the clock to get them back. Alright, so just over there we've got a downed tree on a power line. So everywhere, all around here is out of fuel. Everywhere that does have fuel has got a large law enforcement presence, making sure everyone's orderly and there's no traffic spilling out into the road or anything. Alright, so this place is out of gas, they can't get any. We've got cops here moving people on. So that's a FEMA command unit just set over there by the Orange County Convention Center. They have got a whole load of military vehicles in there. Don't know if we can get a better angle though. See a lot of the billboards are pushed through. So the tolls have been suspended by Governor DeSantis while this hurricane emergency is ongoing, so we are good to go straight through the toll. So after driving halfway across Florida from west to east, we eventually found fuel in Cape Canaveral. So we're pretty much going to finish this video up. We did see some debris and flooding, and of course all that issues with the fuel over in the between Orlando and Tampa. We didn't want to go any further in case we ran out of fuel, and of course we don't want to be using other people's fuel. And yeah, that was pretty much that. So thank you for watching, and do stay tuned because we have some space things coming up this weekend and next week. Thanks for watching.